when someone's in an accident, initially they spend a lot of time going to the doctor. So that can take up a lot of time for the individual who's injured. We want you to focus on getting better. We'll take care of everything else with the insurance companies, handling all the other issues. But it can take time. First, we have to wait until you're better. So the first 6 months, depending on what your injury is, you could be at the doctor's a lot, and that can just take a lot of time through an accident that wasn't your fault. Once you get better, then we're able to have a better idea of what your medical bills are, and then we can ask the insurance company, make a demand to them to pay a certain amount of money. If they are not seeing your case the way we are, if they think you're at fault instead of the person who hit you, that can drag things out even longer. And then if we have to file a lawsuit, once you file a lawsuit, you're looking at a 6 months to 2 years probably before you get to actual trial. During that time period, you're going to have a few commitments. Once you're in suit, you have to answer questions. They're called interrogatories. Usually about 30 or so they send to them. We answer about 15 or 16 that we can because they're more legal questions, but you have to answer the other ones. You have to help us out with those. We have to collect some documents from you. We get all the medical records ourselves, but we need, basic things. You will have to give a deposition. That means you'll have to spend some time preparing for your deposition, which will help you do, so you know what you're getting into. And then deposition typically takes about 2 hours of your time. Then after that, you'll have to go to a defense doctor's exam. So the defense gets to pick the doctor they want. We know all of them. They use the same doctors all the time. I can write the report for them right now. But you're going to have to go see that doctor. And you're going to see that he's going to see you for about 20 minutes, but it's going to take half a day that you're going to have to spend, leaving work, going there just to see a doctor. And once you leave, he's going to write a report saying you're fine. And I know that. And then you'll have to go to mediation. And mediation usually is a half day. That's one of the best opportunities you have to settle your case. And then if we go to trial, then you'd have to go to trial. 99% of all cases settle. But given that 1%, we do try a lot of cases here at this firm. When you go to trial, a typical trial could take anywhere from 2 to 5 days for your standard non-surgical injuries. But we've tried cases that have taken 3 weeks or more. If you go to trial and you get a good result, they're going to appeal. And when they appeal, that could take, I have a case right now, I'm 3 years out. I tried the case in the summer of 2015, and we're currently in the fall of 2018. And that case that lady is still waiting for her money because she got a great result. So they are appealing every single issue, and the appellate courts just take time. Your standard case, though, is resolved within 6 months to a year and a half, I think.